Got a few other things here. Don't have any room in the box for them, so they just hang out over here. The gear puller separator. That's actually Harbor Freight. This is my Mac Master Fuel Injection Test Kit. It's got everything in there you need, you'd think, but I've had to make a few. But yeah, it does a pretty damn good job. Let's see. My old welder there, it's got a different plug on it. It's not a regular plug there. I mean, it's 220, but it's not the same 220 that the garage is wired for, so I got to wire in a new box. But I do have a little 110 stick welder down there. There's our compressor, 60-gallon Husky. It's good. It's old. That's a new motor on it. Also, one day might come in here and do a toolbox tour of my dad's toolbox. This is actually the very first toolbox I got. He got this for me whenever I went to school, and then I worked out of it for maybe about a year, and then I had to move up to the big one. So, but thanks for watching. Like, hate, share, subscribe. We'll catch you next time.